Hello. Hi, guys.
Hey guys! Hey guys!
Why don't you have an intro?
Hi guys, it's Morgan, and I am here today to do a special look for you. Now, I know there's so many beauty gurus out there, but I am the real deal.
I don't know.
So, story time.
Stop clapping. You just did it. You can't. Why do you
Really exhausted.
I didn't start off with foundation. Who cares? I am going to continue the look for you guys. Now, there are 3 primary colors, but green is not one of them. And that's the color I'm doing. If you don't know what green is, it's more like toe fungus, Shrek,
This charger.
like grassier, but like someone spilled oil on the grass. That is the green we're going for.
So.
Let's start. Lips are special today, so we are gonna just do the eyeshadow. And going in with my Jaclyn Hill.
Palette.
And there's 2 green colors.
I go in with the dark one. I'm gonna do a cut crease. And no, I don't know how to do a cut crease, but it's fine. It's fine. You better edit that out. Okay, so all you're gonna do is steal you're gonna grab your Morphe M31 brush and you're just gonna no, cause I don't buy that kind of stuff. I steal this from my Naked 2 palette. It works like okay. Do I ever clean it? No. Hopefully there's nothing on it. Just dab in on the haters.
This is really hard because I can't, okay. So you're just doing above the crease.
Oh my god, she's a cutie.
You just want to get that beautiful green in there. And that is why I chose this shirt today, because I want to blend in with nature. This is kind of like my everyday look. It's kind of like natural, so people don't go look at you like, oh, ew, take her swimming on the first day. No, you're so natural. Like, how does she wake up like that?
I don't know.
She just does. She looks beautiful doing it. Now,
More green on. Just go way back into it and just like smash your eyeball with it.
this is a look, and you really need to flaunt it by doing the best you can. Then I'm gonna go underneath the
Eyeball it.
You are unstoppable now.
You know
it. Alright, next we're gonna do the
cut crease.
now. I've seen people do it, so I'm sure it's not that hard. Actually, no, we're not even gonna use a brush. We're just going in. There we go. There is our cut crease. Yay! The other green color. And I don't know why I'm showing you guys this, because who's gonna do this? Don't let anyone tell you otherwise.
If you do this look, why?
Why? They say fake lashes makes it look more pretty, but I'm a natural, so I can't do that. Sorry. Then I'm just going with the two lightest colors, if you can't see that.
Whatever.
It just makes it look
Like...
dust. Urban dust. And back with the eyeshadow.
Use my code Morgan for 20% off.
Apparently, my sister is a YouTube expert because that's literally all she watches. So, mascara. No. Alright. So, my Flavios. After this, we are doing
Eyebrows. We're doing eyebrows.
And who the heck shows their eyebrows when they're doing them?
I don't know.
So am I going to? No. Okay, we are back. Now I'm not allowed to clap, but we're back. And my sister just told me to do makeup with my feet next time. So give me a like if you like this video, a dislike if you loved it.
Because you shouldn't.
It's terrible. Go in with eyeshadow to...
Yeah, it's going to be cute.
Oh my gosh, this is so bad. Ugh. Alex, stop.
It's not a face.
There's no going. There's no going back. There's like nothing in here, but just really gotta go in.
Now. Eureka.
As we already predicted, this looks like...
Amazing.
If you really want to deal with the fame like I do, I just say be yourself, because honestly, if it wasn't for you guys, all my fans, I wouldn't be out here doing this kind of makeup. But I feel like, oh my gosh, so more confident because of you guys. All of my subscribers, I just want to say, Flavios, Flavianas. I don't have a catchphrase, so just like...
Stop saying like, stop snapping, stop clapping.
Do what she said. Don't say what I say.
And follow your heart, your lungs. Don't smoke. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Now we're going to go outside real quick and go with the trees and be part of this makeup look. See you out there.
Oh.
Okay, go. Let's go.